Hi guys. So we are going to be doing a different kind of number talk today, and we're going to be doing it for the next couple weeks just so we can do something a little bit different but still be working on really thinking about the number that we're working on and the different number combinations it can do, okay? So each day I'm going to have a different number on this board for you, and then what you're going to do is you're going to do exactly what I'm doing. Make your own different talk and everything with it. So there's a couple steps to it. Are you ready? So the first thing is we have to know what number we're going to work on, okay? And today we're going to work on the number 9. So we're going to work on the number 9. So it gives us some different things we have to do. First, tally mark. So I'm going to make number 9 like a tally mark. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I do something special for 5. Remember? I make a line because now I look and I know that that's 5 because it's got that line across of it. So I'm at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? All right, and then it says word form. That just means the number 9. And the number 9 has something special. Let's try to sound it out. In, very good. Then in. But for it to have that long I, it's got to have a sneaky E. But we're just going to write all the sounds that we hear in it, okay? And now we have a number line. So we're going to get to make it on a number line. Now, we can choose to have it as an open or closed number line. I'm going to make it an open number line so I can see what numbers come before 9 and after 9 because I don't have that many spaces here. So I'm going to start at the number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to mark a dot that this is the number 9. And then I'll just fill in the other spots. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So on my open number line, I've marked where 9 is. And that's important because that might help us in a little bit with what we're going to do. And now we have what we call a number bond. A number bond is just like that part whole. My thing in my circle in the middle is going to be like my number on top. So I'm going to put the number 9. And then these two spots are numbers that go into 9, so different parts. So what I can do is I can say, the number 9. What's a way that I know that we can make 9? I'm going to look right at my tally marks and I say, I know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. You can do that in different ways. You could do 1 plus 8 or 2 plus 7. So it's your choice on how to show that on there, okay? There's different ways to do it. Or you can make one way and then you can draw some other ways beside it. I might make 9, 7, and 2 beside it. Okay, so you can make some different ways beside that. That is completely up to you. Okay, right here, this is our place value. And so our first word says hundreds. Now, looking at the number 9, does it have any hundreds? No, so I'm going to put it's 0 hundreds. There's no hundreds. Does it have any tens even? No, so I would put a 0, and then how many ones is it? It's 9 ones, so I'm going to put 9 there. Now, if I was writing the number 10, remember it would be 10 ones and 0. So it depends on what number we're doing, and we're going to get to bigger numbers when we do this. All right, and then this is something that's a little bit different. It's like a hundreds chart, okay? So I'm going to put whatever number I'm working on in the middle, and then I'm going to think about what's one less, and one less comes before the number. See, if we're on the number line on number 9, the number 8 is one less, so it's beside it, okay? And then one more, what's one more than 9? Look at my number line, it's going to be 10. Now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. What's 10 less than 9? It's negative, so I can't put anything, so I'm going to put a cross there. When we get to bigger numbers, we'll be able to fill that in, and we're going to look at some hundreds charts to help us with that. Now I need to know what 10 more than 9 is. So I want to know what 10 plus 9 is. And if I'm looking at my hundreds chart, it's going to be the number right below it. And 10 plus 9, I still have that 9, but I'm just adding one 10 to it. So then I would have one 10 and 9 ones, and it would be the number 19. And we'll work more on that, and some of the bigger numbers, it'll actually be easier. All right, and then you get to put it as a number sentence. So this is where you go back and you can look at your number bond or do something else. If I look at my number bond, I can say 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now this is where you can challenge your brain and you can do different ones. Or you can say 2 plus 7 equals 9. You can even do some subtraction problems. If I look here, it says that 10 more is 19. So I could put 19, take away 10 equals 9. So I can challenge my brain in any way that I want. So I'm really curious and excited to see what kind of number sentences you can come up with, okay? I want you to do at least 3 number sentences, but you can do as many as you want on your number talk for the day, okay? All right, and like I said, we're gonna do a different number every day. All right, thanks for watching, guys.